Hey, car enthusiasts, we know you love everything about cars, from the classics to the latest models. Welcome back to our channel Prod Valley, your go-to place for everything automotive. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just a car lover, we've got something for you. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. We bring you the best tips, reviews and news in the automotive world. Today we have something special for all you Toyota fans out there. Get ready for an in-depth look at what makes Toyota a favorite among car enthusiasts. We're diving into the most demanded Toyota car parts and accessories in the UK and EU markets for 2024. From performance upgrades to stylish add-ons, we've got it all covered. So, let's get started. Looking to add some pep to your Toyota? Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just starting out, a cold air intake can be a game changer. Let's talk cold air intakes and how they can transform your driving experience. These systems deliver colder, denser air to your engine, boosting power and giving your engine a more aggressive growl. This not only enhances performance, but also improves fuel efficiency. Always check local regulations, but most are legal. It's important to ensure your modifications comply with local laws to avoid any issues. Choose reputable brands like K and N, AEM and InGen to avoid performance issues. These brands are known for their quality and reliability. These brands test their intakes with specific Toyota models, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. For the best performance, pair your cold air intake with a performance exhaust system. This combination can significantly enhance your car's overall performance. It's a simple mod that can make a big difference. You'll notice improved throttle response and a more enjoyable driving experience. Let's move on to exhaust systems and see how they can further boost your Toyota's performance. Let's talk about the sweet sound of a well-tuned engine with performance exhaust systems. These systems improve exhaust flow, increasing horsepower and torque. Options include catback and full header-back systems. More extensive mods often yield bigger gains. Check local regulations for street legality. Popular brands include Borla, MagnaFlow and Flowmaster. They offer various sound levels and styles to fit your taste and budget. Now, let's discuss suspension kits. Stock suspension is fine, but for a smoother ride and better handling, consider suspension kits. These kits can include shocks, struts, springs and sway bars. A good kit transforms your Toyota's driving experience. Consider your driving conditions before choosing a setup. Reputable brands include Eibach, Bilstein and KW. They offer quality components for a better ride. A lowered car looks cooler and handles better. Next up, alloy wheels. Wheels are like a car's shoes, and alloy wheels can transform your Toyota's look, giving it a sleek and modern appearance. Stock steel wheels are durable and affordable, but alloy wheels add personality and a touch of elegance to your vehicle. They come in various designs, finishes and sizes, allowing you to customize your car to match your personal taste. Alloy wheels are lighter, improving performance by reducing unsprung weight, which enhances handling and fuel efficiency. You don't have to spend a fortune for quality. There are many affordable options available that offer great value for money. Brands like Oz Racing, BBS and Enkai offer great options, known for their durability and stylish designs. These companies have a long history of making quality wheels trusted by car enthusiasts worldwide. Choose a design that suits your style, whether you prefer a classic look or something more contemporary. Alloy wheels can make a big difference, transforming the overall aesthetic of your car. Let's talk body kits next and how they can further enhance your Toyota's appearance and performance. Body kits can make your Toyota stand out with tasteful modifications. They enhance your car's lines and give it a sporty look. A well-designed kit can improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Options include front lips, side skirts, rear diffusers and spoilers. Choose a kit that matches your style and car. Reputable brands include TRD, Veilside and Rocket Bunny. These companies offer high-quality materials and designs. Now let's discuss roof racks and carriers. For adventure seekers, roof racks and carriers add extra space for gear. They make hauling bikes, skis, kayaks or luggage easier. A car with a roof rack looks ready for anything. Options vary in mounting systems, load capacities and materials. Choose a system compatible with your Toyota's roof. Popular brands include Thule, Yakima and Rhino-Rack. These brands offer durable, high-quality products. Next, let's talk seat covers. Seat covers are practical and stylish, protecting your seats from spills and wear. Modern seat covers come in various styles, materials and colors. They protect against spills, stains and fading. Ideal for families, pet owners and frequent passengers. Consider material, fit and style when choosing. Leather offers luxury, neoprene is durable and cloth is affordable. A good set of seat covers can save your seats. Now let's discuss dash cams. Dash cams are becoming essential for recording incidents on the road. They provide valuable evidence in accidents or road rage incidents. Think of a dash cam as an independent witness. It records before, during and after incidents. Footage can prove fault and expedite insurance claims. Consider video quality, field of view, storage and features. Some dash cams offer GPS tracking, parking mode and Wi-Fi. Let's move on to infotainment systems. The infotainment systems can enhance your driving experience. A good system should be intuitive, responsive and feature-packed. Older systems may lack features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Aftermarket systems can upgrade your Toyota's tech. Consider screen size, features, compatibility and price. Popular brands include Pioneer, Kenwood and Sony. These systems integrate seamlessly with your Toyota. Now, let's talk oil filters. Oil filters are essential for your Toyota's engine health. They remove contaminants from engine oil, preventing wear. Not all oil filters are created equal. Cheap filters may not effectively trap contaminants. Invest in high-quality filters from reputable brands. Favorites include K&N, Mobil 1 and Bosch. These filters provide superior engine protection. Next, let's discuss brake pads and rotors. Brake pads and rotors are crucial for safety. Your brakes allow you to slow down and stop safely. Over time, pads and rotors wear down. Worn brakes reduce performance and can cause vibrations or noise. Inspect brakes every 12,000 miles. Replace them if you notice any issues. Don't skimp on brake maintenance. Finally, let's talk about batteries. Car batteries are essential but often overlooked. Most batteries last 3 to 5 years. Aging batteries lose their ability to hold a charge. This can lead to slow starts and dimming headlights. Test your battery if it's over 3 years old. Many auto parts stores offer free testing. Replace your battery before it dies. Let's wrap things up. There you have it, folks. The top Toyota car parts and accessories in high demand for 2024. Whether you're boosting performance, enhancing looks, or maintaining your car, these parts have you covered. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it and comment on your favorite part. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.